Alright, this is just for the camera, guys. Just for the camera. This is what 500 bird looks like. This is what 500 bird looks like. With audio, with about 150 in. You ready? Audio. Yes, sir. No doubt it, man. Now, for those who want to know what 500 bird look like, with a decent percentage tube, oh yeah, gotta watch that audio drive. Oh, and that's what 500 bird looks like on an efficient system with a good SWR and some really nice grit and plate. Can you feel me, dog? That's what it's supposed to look like right there. Your fast talking, slow walking, needle dancing, skip shooting, audio slinging, big badge wielding, hole in the wall, Brooklyn, New York CB shop. And that's what 500 bird looks like with a $150 in. Yes, sir. Watch it, baby.